Cotton. Stage 1. The original swaddle is within stage 1 of 3 in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. It's perfect for your newborn who is not yet rolling over and likes to be swaddled with their arms in, approximately 0 to 6 months, but every baby is unique. Soft and comfortable. The SwaddleMe Original Swaddles are made out of soft fabric, 100% cotton, for ultimate comfort. Plus, they are machine washable. Safe and secure. The secure design of this swaddle blanket creates a cozy, womb-like feeling for baby and prevents startle reflex that can wake your infant. 3 sizes available. The SwaddleMe Original Swaddles come in 3 different sizes. The preemie fits up to 7 pounds, small fits 0 to 3 months, 7 to 14 pounds, up to 26 inches, large fits 3 to 6 months, 14 to 18 pounds, up to 33 inches. SwaddleMe Sleep Stages. This original swaddle is for newborns in the first stage in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. When baby starts showing signs of rolling over, then it is time to transition to stage 2. Top reviews from the United States. Love these. These are easier to use than any other swaddle and our baby never escapes them. I started using these when she grew out of the zip pods, which were also amazing. I don't mind using swaddling cloth in a pinch, but these are 10x faster and more secure, and baby can't pull at fabric and get tangled in it the way she might in a plain swaddling cloth. Absolutely love it. She falls right to sleep when bundled up and calms as soon as she is placed on top of one, even before it's fastened. It's even easier to put her down in the bassinet since she feels snuggled even when I move my hands away, slowly. A 2-pack is essential for those middle-of-the-night accidents.